SkissSoap Review 2025. The best tool for real estate agents. Most people get transaction management wrong by juggling emails, folders, and spreadsheets. SkissSoap in 2025 streamlines real estate workflows, helping agents manage documents, signatures, and compliance in one platform. SkissSoap allows agents to upload contracts, track signatures, and ensure compliance automatically. You won't believe what happens next. Its audit trails keep brokers informed and protect against errors during closings. The surprising truth is that SkissSoap integrates with most systems, allowing smooth transaction data transfer. Notifications for missing documents or deadlines keep agents proactive, saving time and reducing stress. Pricing is subscription-based, typically per user, but many agencies find the ROI strong due to improved efficiency and reduced errors. Mobile access ensures agents can manage transactions from anywhere, which is crucial for busy schedules. In conclusion, SkissSoap in 2025 is a top choice for real estate agents who want organized, compliant, and efficient transaction management. Its combination of document tracking, automated compliance, and multi integration makes it ideal for modern real estate practices.